Have you ever read that nature is an incredible good healer? I bet you have. Now, reading things like that is great, but finding out yourself is even better. And today with this video I'm going to prove how good a healer nature is. We are in beautiful fjords in Norway, and I made this healing video for you. Now, as you can see and hear, I'm doing a voiceover, and that's because it was incredibly loud where we were, and I kept quiet during the healing. So this is the voiceover. Today's healing is about gaining luck. Because a lot of people feel that luck is just around the corner. It's near, but you just can't grab it. If it feels for you that way, this healing is for you. Just let the loving healing touch you, embrace you. You are so worth of having luck and being loved. Now look around you, look at this breathtaking landscape. Isn't that incredible that whatever happens, nature always seems to bounce back? And don't forget, you are part of that nature as well. You are strong. And whatever happens, you can bounce back too. But for now, just relax. There are so many people who struggle to find inner peace and good luck. Maybe you're one of them, but from now on you will find out that things will be better. And don't expect that it comes just all at once. It can be tiny things. Every single time something good happens to you, know that this is part of a bigger plan. For you, just for you. The challenges or lessons of life that everyone gets, don't let them hurt you. Know that everything will be okay. Now take a deep breath. And when you exhale, get rid of some negative energy that's in you. breathe in again, know that you have a tiny little extra space for something good, because you just got rid of something bad. And each time you breathe out, you will get rid of something that you don't want to keep anymore. And every time you breathe in, you have a little bit extra space for something good. Now enjoy this moment. This is your time. This is for you. Only for you. And right now, nothing matters. All you need to do is be and breathe. And let me get rid of some negative energy for you. But you need to help me with this. So open up. Let me help you. Allow me to help you. Just be, and know that you are good enough the way you are. You are good enough. And know that happiness is not just around the corner, it's in front of you. And you can just grab it. So reach in front of you and grab those tiny pieces of happiness and enjoy the moments when you find out that you are happy. The moments that you're not thinking about happiness or being sad or lonely, but when you just enjoy something that's happening that moment. You are good enough. You are worth to be loved. You are loved. Every time you breathe in, get some of that nice, good energy. And every time you breathe out, get rid of something that you don't want to keep with you. And just be and enjoy this moment and know that you are loved. Now I want you to take a deep breath and breathe out everything that's in you. Do this a few more times. and give yourself the time that you need after this healing. So when you want to get up again, and only then, get up, drink a big glass of water, and look around you and be happy, because you know that happiness is not just around the corner, it's near you and you can grab it whenever you need it. Know that you are loved and know that you are good enough and that you sometimes only need to breathe. As we're almost at the end of this video and at the end of this healing, I will ask you if you have time to watch the scenic cruise of Eidfjord. I will put a link in the description below, and if you have time, just watch, and if you can, watch it on TV, because that's even better. And then you can see the beautiful Eidfjord, from Eidfjord to the open sea again. And this is a wonderful scenic tour, where you can see waterfalls, fjords. It's lovely. But for now we're still in Eidfjord. And you're maybe at home. I hope you did enjoy this video and the healing. If you haven't done so yet, do subscribe. Give a like and a comment if you want to. And please return for more videos. Thank you so much for watching and joining me on this healing journey. I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.